my fellow weirdos and spooky friends, and welcome to Dottie Does DIY, the craft show where I have no idea what's going on. Let's make some lip balm. Okie dokie, artichoke. Step 1, plug in your hot plate. We're gonna make a double boiler. You can do this on your stove, in your kitchen. I like to do it separate because everything gets all waxy. I got this cheapy little hot plate to do all my crafting on. This cheapy little pan to make a double boiler out of. And I got this fancy bowl at IKEA, but I used to just use a regular bowl that I had lying around the kitchen. So give that a try. Hot plate plug. Step 2, fill her up. So the recipe I watched calls for 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 2 coconut oil, and 2 beeswax. But also that you can replace shea butter with cocoa butter. But also I want to cut the recipe in half. Because why do things how you're supposed to? So I'm thinking, what if we do 2? Yes, because we have to keep it hard. 3, no, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. Yeah, but half of everything. So 1, 1, half, half. 1, 1, half, half. I put beeswax, coconut oil. Maybe I'll do this one last. Medium heat. Look at that loaf. Oh yeah, this is where I remember how messy this is. It seems like a lot. I feel like that's just because of density. I feel like maybe tablespoon, maybe we should have been doing this by weight. You're gooey, but you know it's good for you, you know? I'm put a little more wax. That feels good. Like it probably should. These are chippies. It's funny because these are like beauty and culinary grades. You could put it on your face or in your mouth. I never ate it, but it smells so much like chocolate. But it's not chocolate at all. It's getting melty. Look at that goo. Really, my only concern is that I don't have enough wax. But I guess everything except for the coconut oil at room temp is kind of hard enough to be chapstick. That's Texas room temp, by the way, so hot. It's double boiling. It's double boiling. Well, that's doing that. I have several tube sizes. I don't know what I can make with this. I think I could make 2 medium tubes. Maybe a small one also. And I have smells. But I think I'm only going to put the smell taste in one. So I'm going to label this one unsmelled. With my beautiful labeling tape and Sharpie pen. Unsmelt. So professional. I mean, you could really give this as a gift to your dad. That's melted. Okay, so now you're supposed to have a funnel. I don't own a funnel. So I'm gonna pour it in my craft pour. Turn off your plate. Ooh, it's hot. Don't move it with your fingers. Get your trusty craft mitts. Oh, it's like a facial. It's a luxury. Oh wait, now I can't see what I'm doing. Get it right for the camera. Oh yeah. just remember, the better you scrape it now, the less you're gonna have to clean later. Unplug your plate. Move it. I'm gonna pour it in this tube. Ooh, that was satisfying. How do you work this tube? Stupid earth-conscious tube. Great, you gotta push it up with a stick. That's stupid. Don't buy these stupid tubes. They're stupid. Too much. I gotta put mango in so quickly. Oh, extra goo. I just got these smells from Michael's. But I'm gonna tell you, if you want to buy smells, just go get extract from the grocery store. It smells pretty good though. Oh God, it's so fast. It's all happening so fast. Oh, I did it. I have enough for another one. Maybe one more. Oh, come on, baby. So close, baby. Yeah, all the way to the top. I don't really like that you gotta push these tubes. Well, it looks like a chapstick. It smells like mangoes. Woo! They're not ready to push yet. Pretty good though. It doesn't taste, but it smells good. Okay friends, here's the dealio. It's been like 2 weeks and I actually really like this lip balm. So here's my full and honest breakdown of that's what's up. First off, lip balm itself. I have to say, I've been using this every single night and I really like it. Like, honestly. Number 2, the smell. I bought some lip balm flavor from Michael's and I'm not a big fan, honestly. I probably won't use it again. Also, I'm just kind of creeped out because I don't really know what's in it because there's no ingredients and that's weird. So next time I'll probably just get some peppermint extract from the grocery store and put that in. Plus then it's like fresh, and I saw someone else use some freeze-dried strawberries and I'm super into trying that out. So maybe we'll do this again. Maybe everyone's gonna get strawberry minty chapstick for Christmas. Who knows? Third up, the tubes. I don't like them. I've been using this one for like 2 weeks, like I said, and it is nasty. Look at that gross tube. Ew, nobody needs that. This is a tube that I over poured. Look how gross that is. I can't give this to someone. Probably not even my dad. So what's the point, you know? I'll use it, but still. So I tried coloring this one in with magic markers to give it to a friend of mine, and I mean, it's cute. Definitely homemade, but at least it like kind of covers up the greasy tube because it did look like this one before, and now at least you can't tell. Overall, I give this project a 7 out of 10 because it was fun, it was easy, and I did it right on the first try, so that's a win. Buy different tubes, buy different smells. Other than that, I say go for it. Melt your little heart out. Make some lip balm for your friends. Thanks for watching. Daddy Does DIY, the craft show where I have no idea what's going on. And if you have some idea what should be going on, leave ideas for me down in the comments. If you want to see me messing around some more, I don't know, like and subscribe. I'd love to see ya. Anyways, I gotta go. I'll see you later. Bye.